Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Grape Blackberry Natural Flavor. First thing you gotta do is to open up this packet of the Gatorade Zero Sugar Grape mix. You pour it into this mug. Then after that, you pour in the water. And last but not least, you pour in the sparkling water. And then go here, fill up with the rest of the water. And then go here, and here is how you make Carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Grape Blackberry Natural Flavor. Enjoy it, folks. Thank you for watching and happy holidays.